What if I told you that AI can already do half of your daily work? Better, faster, and cheaper. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can completely change how you work, create, and think in 2026. Let's start. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Smart Assistant. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. You can use it to write scripts, emails, YouTube descriptions, business ideas, marketing plans, even learning new skills faster. The key is not the tool itself, it's how you ask the questions. In future videos, I'll show you exactly how to use it like a professional. Tool number 2, Midjourney AI Images. Midjourney allows you to create stunning images using only text. You can use it for thumbnails, branding, social media, products, and even book covers. No design skills needed, just imagination and the right prompt. Tool number 3, Runway ML, AI Video Editing. Runway is changing video editing forever. You can remove backgrounds, generate videos, enhance quality, and edit faster than ever. Perfect for YouTubers, content creators, and marketers. Tool number 4, 11 Labs AI Voice. This tool creates ultra-realistic AI voices. You can use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, ads, or narration. Many channels today are fully automated using AI voices. Tool number 5, Notion AI Smart Productivity. Notion AI helps you organize your life and work, from planning content to managing projects and ideas. Think of it as a second brain powered by AI. These tools are just the beginning. On this channel, we'll explore AI step by step, tools, tutorials, and real use cases. If you want to work smarter, not harder, subscribe and let's build the future together.